Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Buddy's equipment from North Carolina, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And Buddy's got a note with this unit. He's talking about it does not dial out, and sometimes the bell does not ring. And so we want to troubleshoot these issues. And we also want to mention that the original style bells in these units will pull some ring out of the ring cycle voltage. And as long as the ring cycle voltage is normal, then there would be no reason why this unit wouldn't ring. But we definitely want to check out and troubleshoot that bell issue. And since this is the initial checkout, we want to go ahead and give you a look at this unit. It's in very good condition for its age, and we want to go ahead and take the top cover off. We can set that back, and we want to give you a look at the inside of this unit. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that all of our connections are proper and that they're tight. And we want to re-secure that network. So it is an original Mickey Mouse telephone, and we have a lot of work that we need to start. We're going to go ahead and take a short break. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original Mickey Mouse telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this original Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'm going to release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today. So what we want to do is also mention that we installed a Polarity Protect circuit in this telephone. It did not have one, and we also found some issues at the network and the keypad. That was tuned out. All the connections on the points were cleaned, and the network was gone through, and we secured all of the spade connectors and made sure that all of our connections were proper. We also installed a bell capacitor, and so now the bell should always ring as long as the ring cycle voltage is up to standards. So now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
Today is Saturday, May 27th. The current time, 9:02 p.m. and the temperature, 68 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return him to Buddy and he can enjoy Mickey once again. Now I know he's had this unit for a long time and I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where Mickey is used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.